Abhya, happy birthday. Many returns of the day.
Wish you a very happy and prosperous 40th birthday, Abhya. May God shower all His blessings on you by giving you good health, wealth, prosperity, and peace of mind. All the best, buddy.
Many happy returns of the day, Abhya. 40s is the new 20s. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Abhya. Welcome to the 40s.
Many happy returns of the day, Abhi.
Hi Abhay, happy 40th birthday. Wish you all the success and a great year ahead. Hope to see you soon, Le. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Abhi.
Happy birthday, Abhi.
You should say happy birthday, Abhi. Abhi uncle. Abhi uncle.
Happy birthday, Abhi.
Happy birthday, Abhi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Abhya. Welcome to the 40s group.
Happy birthday, Abhijit uncle. Happy birthday,
Abhijit uncle.
Abhijit uncle.
Dear Abhijit, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Abhi. Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Abhi. Have a wonderful year.
ಹಾಯ್ ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುಖ ಶಾಂತಿ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್.
Hi Abhya, many happy returns of the day. Wish you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Hi Abhijit, wish you a very happy birthday. I must tell you that you're an amazing friend and an amazing person. How our friendship has bonded and grown over past few years as compared to what we were in college, it's even more fascinating to see that. The moments that we have spent with you and the whole family, Ketki and the kids, is really amazing. Be it our reunion or the time we have spent in Hubli when we came over, or our core committee remembrances. All of them have been beautiful. Hubli sounds totally synonymous with Abhijit Kulkarni for us, and I can assure you and promise you also that whenever we are in Hubli, we would always make it a point to come to your place and meet you because you're no less than a family. We love Ketki and the kids. They just make us feel so comfortable and they're so warm. So all the best for you. Stay safe. God bless the whole family. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi Abhi, many happy returns of the day. Wish you great things in life because you deserve it. Have a wonderful birthday and thanks for being an unconditional friend.
Hi Abhi, wishing you a great grand 40th. We wish you great health and all happiness in coming years.
Have a wonderful day and a fabulous year ahead.
And have a blast.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Abhi uncle. A very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. From Mihir Aditya.
Hi Abhya, wish you a happy birthday. Abhijit is one of my best pal. I still remember our UG days, which have spent I think almost not less than 6 to 7 years together. We shared the same floor, even in the first phase, that is Chanakya hostel, and Charka hostel for the rest of the 4-5 years, second, third phases. There's no single day where Abhay used to not visit our room or neither I used to not go to his room. Almost every day after the classes, we used to land up in his room, me, my roommate, and his roommate Yogi. We used to have a lot of discussion, fun. And I still remember Abhijit is an avid foodie. He's fond of food so much, especially Maggi and gobi Manchurian. Every alternate day he used to prepare Maggi, and once he used to have Maggi, his favorite reaction was, "Abbe hangitle food, gitch gitch." And he was also very much fond of cricket. Every Sunday almost he used to play cricket. He was the best wicket keeper. Many times he won the matches also. Good academician. A very kind-hearted person. We used to visit a lot of hotels, especially on Saturday evenings. And his favorite spots of hanging was Sanna Dhaba, Avanti Dhaba, where he used to have those paneer makhni, dal roti, lot of things. We used to go to even movies also together. I think he's one of the friends which we always count on till date, even after MBBS, even after PG life, even in our professional life, we still be in touch regularly. Even if I call in the night 12 o'clock also, he's ready to respond. That's his reaction. He's never like tired or something or giving excuses, not able to pick up. To be frank, words can't express our relation. To that extent, we share the bonding, and I'm very lucky and blessed to have Abhya alias Kylie, which I'm used to calling him for last several years. Stay blessed, buddy. Enjoy. Have a great celebration. Stay always happy. Love you. Take care.
Happy birthday, Abhijit. May the child in you be the way it is. Happy birthday. May your day be as special as you are.
Sir, many happy returns of the day. ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Remember, 40 is just a number. Rest everything is the same. Enjoy your day. Have a great time.
Happy
Bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday,
Abhijit.
Uncle.
Hi Abhi, many happens of the day. 40ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟಿನ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. May God give you health, wealth, and whatever you wish for. Stay happy and cheers. Bye.
Hi Abhi, wishing you a very happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s, the new 20s. I wish you the best of health, wealth and happiness, and stay the way you are. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Abhi Mama. We love you.
Happy birthday, Abhi.
Happy birthday, Abhi.
Happy birthday, Abhi. Hey.
Wish you a great one.
Great one. Have fun.
Missing you.
Missing you. Abhi.
Hi Abhi. Happy 40th birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great happy birthday. Cheers.
Abhi, you're now 40 plus. You get the license to be more naughtier. Okay, keep it in mind. Enjoy and all the best for your career too.
Stay blessed always. Bye.
Hi Abhi, wish you happy 40th birthday.
Abhi, happy birthday again. Very proud of you and your achievements. Congratulations on reaching a milestone of 40 years. Don't look 40. I thought you must be 35 or 36.
Hi Abhi, happy 40th birthday again. ಅನ್ಸಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ 40th ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯಂಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಂಗರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ an inspiration to a lot of us, whether we are elder to you or whether we are younger to you. You continue to make us proud. Wishing you more and more success throughout. Be the person you are. You are an amazing person. Wish you a very happy birthday again, Abhi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Abhi Mama.
Happy birthday, Abhi Mama.
Happy 40th birthday, Abhi.
Happy birthday, Abhi. Have fun.
Hi Abhi. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Pray God to bless you with good health, wealth, and lots of happiness. Always be happy, cheerful. Bye.
ಅಭಿ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿನಗೆ ದೇವರು ಆಯುಸ್ಸು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನದೊಳಗೆ ನಿನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸನ್ಮಾನಗಳ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಅಭಿ, ಮೆನಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೇ. ದೇವರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ದೇವರುಗಳನ್ನ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
Hi Abhi Mama, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Have a blast, enjoy the day. Bye bye, take care.
Hi Abhi Anna,
wish you a very happy birthday.
Have a nice day.
Hi Birna, wishing you a many happy returns of the day. Wishing you to get more and more health, happiness and energy in your life. Let you prosper and be progressive. Once again wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy, stay safe and keep up the good work. Cheers.
Hi Abhi Anna, wishing you a many happy returns of the day.
Hi Abhi Anna, many happy returns of the day.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day, Abhi Anna.
ಹಾಯ್ ಅಭಿ, ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರು ನಿನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರದ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸುಖ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೂರ್ಕಾಲ ಸುಖವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಲಪ್ಪ.
Hi Abhi, wish you many happy returns of the day. We are very proud of you, Abhi.
Keep it up.
Hi Abhi Kaka, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Once again,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಮಾಮ. ಚಿಕ್ ಮಾಡು. ನಾಳೆ ಚಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
ಹಾ, ಕಾಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು.
A very happy 40th birthday, mate. At least I know that I've got someone in the team a lot older than me.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. Join the club. Get to 40. Get happy birthday.
Najim, very happy birthday once again. Love you lots.
Happy birthday. Wish you many more birthdays.
40th birthday. Happy 40th birthday. So you're not to 40. Many happy returns of today. I'm sure you will enjoy the 40s. It's just the start of life.
Happy birthday. Wish you many more birthdays. 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 Wish you many more birthdays